damn. Still sometimes, just playing with the camera, and I'm like, am I really doing this right now? Hey guys, this is Vlad the Crypto Trader here. Uh, I'm actually super excited. I'm a bit tired. I just came out of my night shift. Yeah, now you know I work in shifts. But in any case, I finished my shift at 7:30. Had a quick around 4 hour nap, and I decided to record this video because I really want to share with you my latest updates, like upgrade. I don't know, call it whatever you want. So um, my progress in my most recent algorithm that I've been working on for around a month and a half now, and it pretty much combines buyer or seller interest, so it works both ways. So let's just keep it easy. So for the buy side, for example, it tracks buyer interest and also volume interest. So it essentially takes very positive momentum candles and also volume candles. So you have that momentum on your side, like I've said, and the interest. And what that actually looks like, let me just open it up here. Let's go to the 4 hour, and for example, open just a chart. That's a quite shitty one. Maybe I should have prepared this. Maybe next time. Okay, that looks okay. That looks good as an example. So just have a look for yourself. What do you see here? Let me see. Okay, yes. So here are the signals. So of course, the green indicates for buy and the red indicates for sell. And yeah, I've actually ran these for here. So at the top you can see, for example, I ran them. They just output like this. So they have just a huge. Why is it not focusing? Yes, better. So you have a huge ass spreadsheet of all the cases, and then actually what we care about is the result down here. Ta-da-da-da. Of course, I showed you the best one because I want to show you how good this algorithm is. Where's the mouse, man? Where the fuck is the mouse? Okay, here it is. So this one actually was my best one. I didn't kind of select it on purpose, but in any case, you won't believe that either. Um, so this gave me a sum of 590 R in the end. And R, if you don't know what R is at all, it's pretty much, you can think about it a bit as a percentage return. It's not the same, actually it's a bit far from the same, but it's the best example, quick short example I can give you. And so what I'm so excited about is that I've started running what I call my double confirmation algorithm. And so what that is, it essentially takes that signal that we saw, those separate signals that we saw, and I say, whoa, okay, but I wanted to have double to be double sure that this is actually a good signal. And so I'm looking for case scenarios where you have two of these signals very close to each other. And actually I've stopped graphing these, but so actually now we only graph one, but before in the algorithm this also shows me as a red one, and so I have two red ones very close to each other, and then this second signal becomes kind of my valid entry. So this is what I'm so excited about, and although it doesn't look very exciting right now, I know it could actually be quite a cool thing. There, that's much better. Because if I have double confirmation, right, double clarity. If I have double clarity on things, that provides me clearer signals, because it says, yeah, like really in a short period of time you have the interest and the momentum behind you. And I've actually been escaping this for like a couple of weeks because I thought, this double confirmation algorithm would be quite different and quite challenging to make. No, I sat down this night actually at work. Yes, working at work on your own things. That's kind of cool. Flex. Um, and actually works. So right now it's just running. So in the background, and I think it's gonna run for the next few days. It's quite a because I go over different time frames, so not only daily but also 4 hour and 6 hour, 12 hour, and 1 hour. And hopefully, I'd like to go into 15 minute also to see how it performs. But anyway, um, so yeah, I would just like to share that with you. Probably will post something on it soon, so a bit more detailed. But right now, I'm just super excited and tired, and I decided to put out this video. So if you're interested, definitely keep in touch with me. I'm more than happy to get in touch with you as well. And yeah, see you next time. Take care.